Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to turn off notification setting in Snake.io application using your Android device. First of all, launch open Snake.io on your Android device and make sure that you have the latest version installed for the best performance. Once you're inside this main home page, tap on the gear button at the top left corner. This will open up the several menu on the screen where you need to select the off button under notifications. Once you choose off, this will turn off any push notification from the app. Soon after you do that, your changes should take effect immediately. You have now successfully turned off notification setting in Snake.io and now can play without interruptions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.